Okay, so this is about holiday loaning and bonuses. So sometimes if you work hard throughout the year, you might get an extra bonus as an incentive for your hard work, and it's just usually a percentage of your income or your salary. And then based on 4 weeks' pay, um, you're entitled to 17.5% extra on 4 weeks' pay. That's called your holiday loading or your leave loading. It's also called leave loading. And then when you add that to your normal 4 weeks' pay, plus your holiday loading, you'll get your total pay for that holiday. Okay, so allowances, employers are required to work in high risk or dangerous conditions can be paid extra money above the normal rate of pay. They can also pay allowances for uniforms, staying away from home while working. These include like mine workers, working in confined spaces, working on hot or very cold conditions, or dealing with toxic substances. You get an extra bonus or allowance. Okay, holiday loading. So this is actually a HSC question, this one here. So Jenny earns a salary of 63,752. The annual leave loading is 17.5% and it's on 4 weeks' pay. So we want to work out the total holiday pay. So first of all, what we need to do is work out the loading, and the second is to get the total holiday pay. So the loading would be 17.5% times 4 weeks pay. Okay, so first we have to get 4 weeks pay. So to get 4 weeks pay, you get the 63,752. If you divide that by 52, you'll get 1 week's pay times by 4, you'll end up with 4 weeks pay. So putting that into your calculator, that's 63,752 divided by 52 times 4, you end up with $4,904. That's on 4 weeks. And that's 4 weeks' pay. So then if you find 17.5% of the 4,904 times 17.5, you end up with $858.20. And that is the extra money you'll get on your holiday. So the total holiday pay, and write this down as a rule, will be your 4 weeks' pay plus your holiday loading. So there's two things you want to be writing down. Your loading is 17.5% of your 4 weeks' pay. You calculate that your total holiday pay would be the 4 weeks plus your loading. So 4 weeks' pay is $4,904 plus your loading of $858.20. So you go $4,904, and altogether you end up with 5762.20. Okay. All right, let's look at the next one. So this one's the total pay on 4 weeks. Weekly income of 280. So you got 280 times 4. So you're going to get 4 weeks pay. You'll end up with 1,120. Do 17.5% times this money. So a weekly salary of 280. Okay. So times 17.5% times the 1120, not a big income there, that's $196. 1120 plus 196. So you're doing your 4 weeks pay plus you're adding on your loading plus 1120 equals 1,316. So that's D. Okay, looking at the next one. Lee has a permanent part-time employer. She has 4 weeks annual leave to get 17.5% of the 368 times 4. That would be just the loading. Now, the question says find the whole holiday pay. So first you have to get the extra holiday loading. You do the extra holiday loading, so that's 17.5% times 368 times 4 times 368 times 4. So that's just your loadings. That's $257.60. And then your total holiday pay would be 1,757.60 plus 4 weeks pay. Now 4 weeks pay would be 368 times 4, which gives you 1,472. Okay, so it's going to be your total holiday pay would be the extra 17.5% on 4 weeks pay plus the 4 weeks pay. So if you add the 257.60, you end up with 1729.60, and that would be your total holiday pay. Okay, a bonus question. So we get an extra bonus, because they've been working hard, of 6% of the normal yearly income. So the bonus would be 6%, so 0.06 times 58000, which is 3480, and that would be your extra bonus. All right, so now what you could do is complete the questions from the booklet on holiday loading. There's also an extra worksheet on it, and you could also go to Oxford and complete that exercise as well. There's also additionally Maths Online if you want to do some from there.